Beneath the azure sky, mountains rise where rivers meander and eagles glide. Fields of emeralds kissed by the sun, in nature's embrace our journey's begun. Oh, the beauty of nature, a sight to behold, from dense forests to oceans untold. In every whisper of wind, every rustle of tree, the world sings its song, wild and free. Amongst the blossoms bees softly hum, in vast meadows where butterflies come. A symphony of birds in morning's night paints the dawn with colors so bright. Oh, the beauty of nature, a sight to behold. From dense forest to earth, handmass, nature's handiwork, a plant masterpiece. From snow-capped peaks to sandy shores, in every corner its wonders pour. Oh, the beauty of nature, a sight to behold, from dense forests to oceans untold. In every whisper of wind, every rustle of tree, the world sings its song, wild and free. Amongst the blossoms bees softly hum, in vast meadows where butterflies come. A symphony of birds in morning's light paints the dawn with colors so bright. Oh, the beauty of nature, a sight to behold. Masterpiece. Beneath the azure sky, mountains rise where rivers meander and eagles fly. Fields of emeralds kissed by the sun, in nature's embrace our journey's begun. Oh, the beauty of nature, a sight to behold, from dense forests to oceans untold. In every whisper of wind, every rustle of tree, the world sings its song, wild and free. So let us cherish this gift divine, for in nature's embrace our souls entwine. In its majesty we found our place, boundless beauty in every space. The boundless beauty of nature, beauty of nature, beauty of nature. Beneath the azure sky, mountains rise